what it is.
Mommy.
Hey Josh, you getting the guts out of there?
Mommy. The guts.
Aaron, you want me to do more?
Mommy. Yes. Mommy, to itself. Now.
Yep. Nice.
African Star will be Halloween.
Not today.
Why? Mommy could do all the rest of it.
You want me to do all of it?
Yeah.
It's your pumpkin.
I want to see Aaron's pumpkin.
Well, Aaron's pumpkin's my pumpkin because I'm doing all the work.
What? Why do I put it over here?
I didn't.
I want to see Aaron's pumpkin. Let me see Aaron's
I'm not done.
Why?
I got a lot of work to do here.
This is a bigger pumpkin. Ah! Stupid!
Josh.
Stinky up. Did you just do that fast at school? Huh? You do that fast at school? No, I don't need it. I just get my hands all messy. Your hands all messy? Can you get your hands all messy? Here? Yes. Okay, I will.
Josh, get everything out of your.
Hey guys,
What?
we're gonna send this video to Grandma and Grandpa. So can you say Happy Halloween, Grandpa Bootsy?
Halloween,
How about Happy Halloween, Grandma Bootsy?
Happy Halloween, Grandpa Butchie.
How about Grandma?
Say Grandma Bootsy.
Grandma Butchie.
Say you want some guts?
Want the guts?
How about you reach in there and pull out some
Pull out
guts?
some guts, Josh. Show them the guts.
Ew.
It's not you.
Aaron, you want some
Aaron, you
guts?
gotta take some guts?
No!